Guys, this is going to be a little bit different video than what you used to see me post. I'm used to posting edits, me making videos, but now I'm going to be making a video with my brand new Platinum 2018 F350. We got a few things to do today. Probably going to clean up the rims a little bit more. Got quite a bit of brake dust if you can't tell. Some rust right there, normal. From Utah, you know how Utah is. Gonna get that cleaned up. Ooh, you can tell that was from a big old tire. Gonna get that fixed. Gonna do an undercoating on it. And yeah, you guys are gonna watch me do that, but I'm gonna go to the back now and go get some. Alright guys, back here in the shed, we got all the tools, all the stuff, you know, the whole thing full of the paint we need to do that. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, here we got the undercoating. This will go on after we put this on. This one go on after we get it all ground down. Because you gotta have it prepped. Because I don't want this rust being there. It's gonna ruin the paint more. It's gonna just decay more. So So guys, wear protection. I know. In multiple aspects, wear protection. When you're doing this, you do not want to be breathing this in. So if you're doing this like me, wear a mask. Big help. Don't wear just like the cheap masks that we had to wear during COVID. Wear these good masks. The N95. They are so good. They'll protect your lungs and they'll keep you good. Also, had to get the speaker out, because gotta listen to tunes while you're doing this. Alright, let's get to it. Guys, got this side most of the way done. I'm gonna come back. I'll get a little bit more, but like this, before it does put stuff on here, but it's not too good. But I'm gonna hit this a little bit more, hit this a little bit more. But I'm gonna go to the other side now. Just wash it all off with some degreaser. That's what's in here. Just got all that. Got some up there. Now we're gonna go to the other side now. Just put a different wire brush on this one, so we'll get good on this side. Here's a little before. This one's not too bad. I'm gonna go turn the steering wheel too, but. Yeah, let's get to it.
The sky was gray.
Looks a little bit better in person, to be honest with you, but yeah, got it all done. I'm gonna start spray painting. Alrighty. Anyways, just paint away. Alright, now that we're done with that side, I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Alright guys, just got done painting all the underneath of it. Not all of the underneath, but you know what I mean. Anyways, got all done. Clean my face a little bit. You get real dirty. This stuff, crazy. Anyways though, only took me basically 2 cans of this with the rust reformer, and then a can, maybe less than a half of the undercoat. So 10 out of 10 do recommend doing this, because then you're supposed to do 2 coats. So if this was the rust reformer and undercoat, you're supposed to do 2 coats. And so I probably would have had to buy 4 cans. I mean, I did buy 4 cans, but it was a lot cheaper. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then we'll go wash the truck. Yeah, see you guys when the truck's getting washed. Alright guys, I got a little carried away. I had to do the hitch now because it's a little rusty, gets wore down, the paint gets worn off, but it's looking good. It's drying, looking real nice under there. Can't wait to get it completely done. It's gonna look so good. Well, I'm just letting this dry now for a minute with some good tunes, drinking some good water, get some good tea, and just waiting for this thing to get done. Alright, I'm going to go put the tools back now. Glad that was here. But honestly guys, this is super easy to do. Like, there's people that do it. I mean, I think eventually I will probably have some professional people do it, just because it's better. But like, if you just need to do it yourself, just cover up some rust. Just prevent it from rusting even more. That was my biggest thing, is I don't want it to rust even more. And so, prevent it from rusting even more. I would just do it, dude. I would put everything in the description on what I used. But like, once again, it's everything I used. Rust Reformer. You can also use this stuff. I just buy Rust Reformer, and then I get undercarriage coating. Because it works. Basically, it does more stuff with both of them than that. But you get both of those and just spray it on. I would sand it down first, like I did. Get all most of the rest off. Wipe it down with some degreaser. Spray it on, let it dry. And then you're good. It's golden. The platinum finna look good. Look at her over there. Alright guys, just got done cleaning this not too long ago. The Temu buddy got done cleaning her. She looks sparkly. Also, let the paint dry. While the undercoating dry. She looks good. She looks good. That concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was freaking awesome. Making this truck look beautiful. Get my truck built. But see you next time.